Today, all eyes are turned to the publication of the US inflation report for August. In addition, traders of the pound sterling now received a lot of signals that may change the market sentiment. Thus, investors are preparing themselves for the UK government's auction. It's planning to raise taxes to fix the social care funding crisis. However, today the Confederation of British Industry warned that higher taxes may slacken the economic recovery even more. What's more, today the UK reported on its labour market condition. The unemployment rate dropped to 4.6% from 4.7%, thus allowing the pound sterling to gain in value. The euro also followed the British pound, showing a slightly smaller increase. The fact is that analysts had expected no changes in the indicator. Notably, the UK unemployment rate is the lowest compared to the US and other European countries. Moreover, the indicator is still falling. Nevertheless, at the US trading session, market sentiment may change. Although the US Fed is going to raise its inflation expectations, the growth pace of the US consumer prices could slow down to 5.3% from 5.4%. The real data is much more important than expectations. A record high inflation poses a threat to the economic recovery and may even result in recession. Thus, even a slight slowdown in the inflation rise reduces such risks. Let us take a look at the trading chart ahead of the publication of the US statistical data. A fall from the resistance level of 1.1880 slackened near the level of 1.1770. This allowed the euro-dollar pair to consolidate. After that, the pair returned to 1.18. The downward trend remained in force. If the price fixes below 1.1800, the downtrend is likely to continue. This, in turn, will lead to a rise in the volume of short positions and possible decline to 1.1770 and 1.1700. According to the alternative scenario, the euro-dollar pair may consolidate above 1.1850 to reach the resistance area of 1.1880. At the same time, the pound-dollar pair returned to 1.38 after a drop from the resistance level of 1.3880. However, the price failed to fix at the mentioned level and began hovering between 1.38 and 1.3880. The main trading strategy is based on a break of either limit. If the price fixes beyond the range on the 4-hour chart, it will be easier to predict the future trend. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.